Hair fall can be frustrating, especially when it affects your confidence in daily life. But the good news is there are natural remedies that genuinely help strengthen the scalp, boost hair growth, and stop excessive shedding. In today's video, we will explore 5 proven, science-supported natural treatments that many people confirmed showed visible results in 2025. Let's get started. 1. Aloe vera gel plus rosemary oil. Why it works. Aloe vera contains enzymes that nourish the scalp, reduce inflammation, and repair damaged follicles. Rosemary oil boosts blood circulation and is clinically shown to perform as effectively as minoxidil in some cases. How to prepare: add 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel mix with 8 to 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Stir until fully blended. How to use. Apply the mixture directly to your scalp. Massage for 2 minutes, leave for 30 to 40 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat dose 3 times per week for best results. Expected results: stronger roots, reduced breakage, noticeable decrease in shedding within 3 to 6 weeks. 2. Onion juice plus coconut oil. Why it works. Onion juice is rich in sulfur, which boosts keratin production and strengthens hair shafts. Coconut oil deeply nourishes and protects the scalp while preventing protein loss. How to prepare: extract 1 tablespoon of onion juice, mix with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. How to use: apply only to the scalp. Leave for 20 minutes and then wash with a mild shampoo. Expected results: improved hair thickness, reduced patchy hair fall. Visible results in 4 to 8 weeks. 3. Green tea. Strengthening rinse. Why it works. Green tea is packed with antioxidants such as EGCG, which stimulate inactive follicles and help reduce hormonal hair fall. How to prepare: brew 1 cup of strong green tea. Allow it to cool completely. How to use: after washing your hair, pour the tea slowly over your scalp. Do not rinse. Let it dry naturally. Expected results: stronger hair roots, less daily shedding, extra shine and smoothness. 4. Egg protein repair mask. Why it works. Eggs contain high levels of natural protein and amino acids, essential for rebuilding weak hair strands. This remedy helps restore damaged, dry, and brittle hair. How to prepare: crack 1 egg, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, whisk until smooth. How to use: apply evenly to hair and scalp. Leave for 25 to 30 minutes, then wash with cool water, never hot. Expected results: stronger, thicker strands, visible reduction in breakage, healthy, shiny appearance. 5. Castor oil overnight growth therapy. Why it works. Castor oil is rich in resin, which boosts circulation and supports new hair growth. It's one of the most effective oils for thickening hair naturally. How to prepare: warm 1 tablespoon of castor oil slightly. How to use. Massage gently into the scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it overnight and wash in the morning. Expected results: noticeably thicker hair, faster growth, reduced overall shedding. Final tips for best results: be consistent. Natural remedies need at least 4 to 8 weeks. Avoid hot water and tight hairstyles. Maintain a balanced diet rich in zinc, protein, and omega.